Hello and welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you simple yet mouth-watering Ghanaian assorted meat and fish palm nut soup recipe, which you're going to love it at the end of this video. If today been your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. For protein of choice, I'll be using fresh cow meat, salted pork and beef. Next, I'll also go in with some cow skin or wele or pomo, any other ways that you want to call it. And next, I'll also go in with cow feet, which is also called kotoje in Ghana. I have already pre-cooked the cow feet, so it's already soaked. And so to seasoning these proteins, I'll go in with some meat seasoning powder, chopped onions, and I'll also go in with some tomato paste and fresh tomatoes as well. I'll go in with the stock from the cow feet to help steam the meat very well. I didn't add in any salt because the cow feet I'm using is the very hard one, and they use salt to preserve it as well. So if I don't even go in with any salt to steam the meat, it is just perfect for me. But if you taste for salt and it's not enough for you, you can still go in with extra salt. Trust me, everything is totally to your taste. Alright, so I've been steaming these proteins for about 30 minutes now, and the tomatoes have softened very well, so I'll remove it and I'll blend and add it to the meat to steam alongside with it. But since I'm using hard proteins, I'll go in with more water to allow the meat softens very well. Okay, so I'll go in with my blended fresh tomatoes. I'll give it a good mix, cover it and allow it to cook until it softens very well. Whilst that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, baby, what are you waiting for? Please do want to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after steaming for extra 30 more minutes, the stock has taken up beautifully, and that is what I'm looking for. So next, I'll go ahead and pour in my palm fruit juice, which I've extracted it off camera. I don't want to make this video too long. I guess a lot of people here know how to extract palm nut juice from palm fruit, and if you don't know how to do it, I'll leave a very detailed video in the description box for you to check it out. And you know, I am a typical Ghanaian lady and a typical Ashanti lady as well, so obviously there should be precursor in my soup to give it more flavor. Afterwards, I went in with fresh mackerel and some mackerel, which I'll be enjoying it with some fufu or banku, and you can even enjoy this with some kokonte as well, and trust me, it goes well with everything. Trust me on this one. So I went in with some garden eggs to give the soup more taste, and for garnishing as well, you can as well omit it if you don't want to. Now I will give it a very good mix, and since I've not added in any salt, are you surprised? Yes, the cow feet really contains a lot of salt today, and if you don't love salt too much, you might not add in salt to it. But I needed to go in with just a little bit of it. I'll cover and allow it to cook until oil settles on top beautifully, just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. At this point, the soup was 80 to 90% ready, and I realized I have this catfish in the fridge, which I didn't know what to use it for. And obviously, I'm preparing Nkatekwan or palm nut soup or banga soup, so the soup should be loaded with goodies. So I added it to it, and of course, it added extra taste and flavor to the soup. So I'll cover it and allow it to simmer down on low medium heat until The soup is nice and ready, just the way you're seeing it on the screens right now. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this Ghanaian abenkwai recipe. It's such a deliciousness and very healthy as well. I hope you're going to try, and I'll be waiting for you in the comment section to read all your beautiful feedbacks afterwards. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching, and kindly stay blessed. Bye.